Welcome back. In this video I want to talk about if statement. As you know, if is a condition, whether something is true or wrong. For example, let's have an example. A is equal to 10. So I want to have a condition if A is equal to 10, after that colon, and print got it. Okay, so this is actually an if statement which is a correct answer. For example, here we see that A is equal to 10 because here we have assigned A into 10. So here A is equal to 10, so print this got it. So why this is indentation? In for loop as also we had an indentation in a statement which will be included in for loops or an if statement. So this is indentation is must here because the Python programming will understand that this is the part of if statement. For example, if you want to have another something, I want to print something else, hello. So this is not the part of if statement. Whether that's true or not, it will be printed. The statement hello will be printed here, but it belongs to this part of program, whether it is true or false. If it is true, it will print this. So it is not belong to this if statement. Let's see this whether it is correct or not. Okay, Python if dot py. See, as you see here, got it. So because A was assigned to 10, statement was run, got it, and after that hello is something which is not part of this if statement. So let's have another example here, it will be clearer to you. From random, let's have a random number, import random number is equal to random starts from 1 and goes till 10. So guess the number, integer, because it is type is integer, input. Let's have a number from the user, enter a number. So let's ask this, enter your guess. Which number will the user guess, or which number will the user enter? So now we use the if statement. If guess equal to number, what to do? Print you got it, because it is the right answer. Just print it is the right answer there. Okay, so let's see whether it works or not. After that we'll talk a little about it. Let's have a guess here. I want to enter 5. Nothing happens. Why? Because our guess is not correct. We have not guessed the exact number which will be printed here in the random. So let's have a little talk about this. From random, import random. In second line we want to import the random from the random. It will be a random number. So number is equal to random starts from 1 and goes till number 10. In for loop, as you know, in for loop we had that for I in range of starts from 1 goes till 10, if you remember this. So it is also the same, starts from 1 and goes till 10. 10 numbers it includes. So guess is equal to integer, type integer, and after that input it takes a guess or a number from the user. Enter your guess. It asks from the user, enter your guess. Enter a number means. Now we see that if this number which the user will enter, if this number is equal to the number which will be n the random number, the computer will consider which random number will be printed to the computer or to the screen. So if this guess or this number which the user will enter is equal to the number which the random number will print. If this is equal to, so just print you got it. Now see here, we didn't get anything. I have entered 5, but we did not get any number because it does not match the number which the computer or the Python programming language will show to us or will print to us. So let's have something else here. If the number is not equal to, if guess is not equal to number, so let's print once again the same thing. See here, I want to enter once again the number 5. You got it, because 5 is not equal to the random number which the computer considered to be printed. So till here we have learned the if. So this if condition will have an else condition as well, because if this number is not equal to this, as I said earlier, so in this example we say that if guess is equal to number, if this is equal to this number, so print this. If not equal to, then what to do? Let's have an else statement here. Else print sorry. See here. So now I want to print this once again. See here, it asks, I want to print 5. Once again, I want to print 5. But this is not, again, it didn't match. So this is, it prints sorry. If I want to print, if I want to enter 4, sorry, once again. If I want, again, I want to print, and I want to enter 1, sorry. It did not match. Whatever number we have entered, it did not match. So if it matched, so it would print you got it. So this is the condition, the statement of if and else. Both I have used in this program.